Tahith Chong announced himself to an onlooking Jose Mourinho with a sublime individual performance on his reserve team debut last night. Boasting the famous number 7 shirt against Tottenham's reserve side, Chong genuinely looked a threat from attacking positions and deservedly found the net in the 49th minute. Chong, who joined the club back in April 2016 having been tempted away from Feyenoord, has clearly adapted to life in England, and last night's performance will only improve his confidence. Seriously, this lad looks the real deal. Just look at him dancing around the opposition with ease. This isn't the first time Chong has impressed at Old Trafford. Shortly after his move from Feyenoord, the youngster stunned United fans by scoring an absolute cracker in the FA Youth Cup. Once again, Chong was playing in front of a curious Jose Mourinho, and the talented midfielder gave the crowd of several hundred a taste of what they can expect from him in the years to come with this acrobatic strike. Not only did he put it away spectacularly, but Chong definitely enjoyed finding the back of the iconic stadium's net for the first time in his young career. A number of Premier League clubs were reportedly interested in the Dutch sensation, including Chelsea, Arsenal, and Manchester City, but Chong sealed a move to Old Trafford and the rest is history. When questioned on his future at Feyenoord back in April 2016, Chong said the following: "It was my intention to stay at Feyenoord, but no plan was made for me. When I announced that I wanted to leave, they were indeed a plan. That was too late. With United I had a good feeling. Wow, you can feel immediately when you enter this club. I'm sure Jose Mourinho has a good feeling about the future of Tahith Chong. He might look like Marouane Fellaini, but the 18-year-old should certainly surpass his teammates' feats at Old Trafford in the coming years."